In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Nissan GT-R Key Fob. You can do this whole process at home. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and all you will need, you'll just need two things: a flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. 2032 battery. You can get these online. If you maybe don't have one lying around the house, you can go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. And if you have the GTR, instead of having this just Nissan symbol, you'll have a little metal insignia of GTR. It'll say GTR up here instead. Doesn't matter. There are a couple of versions of this kind of oval egg-shaped key fob, and it doesn't matter which one you have. The process is going to be exactly the same, and you could just follow along with this video. The first step to opening this thing up is flip it over, hold down this latch on the back, and remove the internal key. Now, if you look on the bottom right here, there is a slot. You can see that little opening right there on the right side. You want to grab a smaller sized flathead screwdriver. This seems to be a good size for me. Whatever you have that can fit in there. We're just going to be putting that in and twisting, which will open this thing up, and then you can work your way down, twisting until it opens very easily like that. If you don't have a flathead that is the correct size, if you got like a normal one lying around, this is going to be too big. I will recommend this one that I'm using here, which comes from this little pack that I've been using for years. They're really great. You get 6 precision screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips head. And yeah, this is also, that set that you just saw is a few dollars on Amazon. So I will also put that down in the description if you need to pick something like this up. But once you get it open, just like you saw, it is quite simple to gently pry the battery up. Just using the same flathead, you want to kind of get to the side and just lift it up. And from here, of course, just dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that the positive side that has this plus sign and the text on it is facing down. So flip it over, positive side down, and just push it into place till it sits flat and it is secure in there. And now all you need to do is click these two pieces back together. Just give it a squeeze, and you can put your key back in there and you are all set. So you can see how easy it is to replace your battery at home. You don't need to ever bring your key fob to the dealership if all you have is a dead battery. You can do the whole thing for the price of just one of these batteries instead of paying $50 to $100, sometimes even more, to have them do it for you at the dealership. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saved some money. And if you liked it, feel free to let me know down in the comments section, or just by giving this video a like. And you can always come back here to this channel if you have a problem with another one of your key fobs. We have videos just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get all of this information and much more over at our website, FobBattery.com.